Welcome friends to my channel. On last lecture I have discussed about the introduction of spherical polar coordinates and we find a relation with these coordinates with the Cartesian coordinate. Okay, so what are the relations? That is, x we can write r sine theta cos phi. Okay, this we can write y as r sine theta sine phi, and z that we write r cos theta. Okay, these are the relations between spherical polar coordinate and Cartesian coordinate. X equals to r sine theta cos phi, y equal to r sine theta sine phi, and z equals to r cos theta. Okay, this now what will be the position vector? That is simply I cap x plus j cap y plus k cap z. So I cap, this is r sine theta cos phi plus r sine theta sine phi plus r cos theta. Okay, so give it a name, say 1. Okay, now here the variables are r, theta and phi. That means there are 3 unit vectors: r cap, theta cap, phi cap. Okay, so what will be my del r del r? This is simply I cap sine theta cos phi plus j cap, this is sine theta sine phi plus k cap cos theta. And what will be my mod del r del r? This is simply sine square theta cos square phi plus sine square theta sine square phi plus cos square theta. Okay, so if we take sine square theta common, then this will be cos square phi plus sine square phi means 1. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So the entire result is this. Okay, 1. So what will be my r cap? This is simply del r by mod del r del r. This is simply I cap sine theta cos phi plus j cap sine theta sine phi plus k cap cos theta. So this is the value of r cap, that is a unit vector that is directed along the increasing r. Okay, so along increasing r. Okay, so this is the value of r cap. So let us try to find out the value of theta cap. Okay, let us try to find out the second unit vector, that is the value of theta cap. Okay, so what will be my del r del theta? That is simply I cap r, this is cos theta cos phi, okay, plus j cap r cos theta sin phi minus k cap r sin theta. Okay, mod del r by del theta, this is what? This is r square cos square theta cos square phi, r square cos square theta sin square phi plus r square sin square theta. Okay, so if we take r square cos square theta common, so this will be cos square phi plus sin square phi 1. So r square cos square theta, r square sin square theta, this is r square, that means the entire result is r. Okay, so what will be the value of theta cap? Okay, so this is del r del theta by del r del theta, ঠিক আছে? Okay, sorry, so this by r, so this is simply I cap cos theta cos phi plus j cap cos theta sin phi, and this is r minus k cap sin theta. Okay, so this is the value of theta cap. So it is also a unit vector, like r cap, we can say this is also a unit vector along the direction of increasing theta. Theta is zenith angle, and here we take okay, I draw the diagram, then it will be clear. Okay, so this is the value of theta cap. So if we draw the picture, we take this as z axis and this is the p point, say. Okay, so we take this angle theta, that means the angle that OP makes with the z axis, and this is the vertical component of z axis, which we take r sin theta, because this is r cos theta. And what is phi? Azimuthal angle is this, that means this line, the angle that this line makes with the positive x-axis is phi, and it increases along anti-clockwise direction. Okay, phi increases along anti-clockwise direction, and here theta increases along clockwise direction. Okay, so this is r. If we take this, r cap will be in this direction, and phi increases in this direction, so phi cap will be along that direction, and theta increases along this direction, so we can take theta in this direction. Okay, so this is the simple picture, just remember this. Okay, now what is the value of phi cap? So we have to find del r del phi minus I cap r sin theta sin phi plus j cap r sin theta cos phi. Okay, this here there is no phi term, so this is 0. So what will be the value of mod del r del phi? R square sin square theta sin square phi plus r square sin square theta cos square phi. Okay, so r square sin square theta, that means r sin theta. Okay, so what will be the value of phi cap? This is r sin theta, that means minus I cap sin phi plus j cap cos phi. Okay, so in this lecture we have derived the various unit vectors in spherical polar coordinate system, that is r cap, theta cap and phi cap. These are very important, and in CBCS system these questions are asked for 2 marks. Okay, that is find the value of r cap in spherical polar coordinates, or you can theta cap or phi cap. So these are 2 marks questions can be asked in examinations. Okay, so phi cap, this is equals to minus I cap sin phi plus j cap cos phi. Okay, so r is the radial distance of the point, theta is the zenith angle that varies from 0 to pi, and phi, that means the azimuthal angle can rotate in the entire plane, that means it can vary up to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, phi. So this is the unit vectors in spherical polar coordinate system. Okay, so what is the significance of spherical polar coordinate system? That we know, because it is the convenient method of finding the position coordinates of a particle on the surface of a sphere. For this reason it is very important. Okay, so this coordinate system is very convenient, is very convenient method to find the position coordinates of a particle on the surface of a sphere. This surface on the surface of a sphere. Okay, on the surface of a sphere. So the significance lies in the fact. Okay, so one thing I have to tell, with this I have finished the chapter kinetics. Okay, now on my from my next lecture I will discuss about the collisions. Okay, that chapter I will going to discuss from my next lecture, that is collision of particles. Okay, so if you don't subscribe my channel, then kindly subscribe it, and video link will be given in the description box. If you have any query, then just write it in comment section. Okay, thank you.